Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using AWS Amplify Auth and iOS easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of authenticating in your iOS application using AWS Amplify Auth. First, ensure you have the AWS Amplify CLI installed on your machine. Open your terminal and run the command to create a new Amplify project. After your project setup is complete, navigate to the project directory. Next, initialize the Amplify project by running the initiation command. You will be prompted to enter your AWS account details. Provide the necessary information, including the name for your environment. Once Amplify is initialized, add the authentication category by executing the appropriate Amplify command. You will be asked to choose the authentication method. Select the default configuration for a simple username and password flow. Follow the prompts to configure additional options, such as multi-factor authentication or email verification. After completing the setup, run the command to push your changes to the cloud. Once the resources are created successfully, you can now integrate AWS Amplify into your iOS application. Open your Xcode project and install the AWS Amplify libraries through CocoaPods. In your pod file, add the necessary dependencies for Amplify and Amplify plugins. Run pod install to ensure all libraries are up to date. Now, configure Amplify in your app delegate file. Import the Amplify libraries at the top of the file. Add the Amplify configuration code in the application did finish launching with options method. After configuring Amplify, create a new Swift file for your authentication logic. In this file, import the necessary Amplify components. Create functions for sign up, sign in, and sign out using the AWS Amplify Auth API. Make sure to handle success and error responses appropriately in your code. Now you can create your user interface for the authentication process. Design the login and registration screens using UIKit or Swift UI, depending on your project type. Connect your UI elements to the functions you created earlier for sign up and sign in. Finally, build and run your application to test the authentication flow. You should now be able to authenticate users in your iOS application using AWS Amplify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.